another English family.
Yeah.
Can't complain. Makes life easier.
And their kids.
Harris has hit the road.
It's a lot. It's chilled. It just changed the whole dynamics of the journey, because you're just having a laugh and having a chat, and Bob managed to empty all our cassettes and stuff like that in some proper places to do it, so we can hit the road now over towards, what is it called? What's it called?
Sakilikent National Park, to the gorge. So we are in convoy.
We was going to do a Ludinez, weren't we, but apparently parking's a bloody nightmare, so...
Yeah, we've been to Ludinez, Sam and I, twice, and...
It was very touristy.
Yeah, the kids have been before as well to Lagoon, so we thought, well, we're not fussed, and they didn't want to battle with the parking around there. So we're heading inland now, because it's 30 degrees today.
It's warm.
It's a hot one. So yeah.
And it's overcast and it's warm.
It's overcast. Potentially going to thunder and rain maybe. But yeah, into the mountains we go.
So we've driven through the thunderstorm and got to Sakilikent. It's a big gorge system where you go on safaris and you can surf, well not surf down it, but you can ring down it. Kids are off over there with our newfound family that we found. So we're doing a bit of convoy together, which is great. You had to see the kids because they just all play together. And then you've got these geese everywhere. Oh, the big lad there's a bit protective. He's looking at me. Probably going to attack me. Well, it is only, May, so it's like a ghost town in a minute. Very empty. Quite impressed with these chucked together tree houses. Just made out of 4x2. I bet the creak like a good one, but they work. Make people happy. It's like there's a little market over there. I'm intrigued now to see these little rings that you can get, which you can take down that gorge. So we shall see how much in there. Find out. Yeah, Boo, you'd like to go on that, wouldn't you? Swing about. I think everyone else has got helmets on.
Let me just take it.
I think we're the only ones that haven't.
So this is where we spent last night, literally right next to this amazing restaurant. Kids absolutely loved these swings over the water. Food was amazing, we had breakfast there this morning, so cheap and just so gorgeous around here. So yeah, there was us and our friends who are here with us, next to us. So this wasn't on park for night, but you basically, Sam and Dave had a little chat, walk up, didn't you, and found someone. And he said,
the
come
owner
here.
of this place, the owner of this cafe. Proper friendly, it's like a proper family run place, and take as long as you want. Everything's just so easy going.
Yeah.
Nothing to chew. Pump you full of chai. It's great.
Which we love.
And it's cheap.
Yeah. It was free to stay here, and
Yeah.
I mean, we ate out of courtesy, but we would have probably eaten here anyway because it was so cheap.
Oh,
it was
nice
easy,
food, the
wasn't
nicest
it?
breakfast we've ever had.
Yeah, the nicest Turkish breakfast we've had up to now. Definitely. So yeah, perfect spot. And the sun's come out. Yeah, it's hot now. Highly recommend it if you're heading this way.
Sea to the bottom of the sea.
Not a bad view, that, is it?
Kite surfing weather.
It's a bit windy out there, but lovely.
Nice just to see the sea again. What's over this hill? More wind. Crikey. Oh my god, that is certain death. You go through that barrier.
Gorgeous view.
Morning. It's a bit overcast today, but this is Cass. You just it's dodgy wall. There's no handrail. Like lots of places in Europe, health and safety, take control of your own life. This is mine and Dave's van. Good little spot for the night. Pretty expensive really for just a car park, but really it's only £8. It's not the end of the world, but he was busy getting into this little town. But it was noisy here last night because there's a lot of clubs and pubs and stuff over there. This is where people come on holiday basically. All the tourist boats here. And it did rain heavy at like 4 in the morning, thunder and lightning. It was actually quite nice. Rebecca slept right through it. But we're going to find a laundrette today. There's one, that white building over there, but I've been over and it's a bit locked. We did find one in the town. We went through last night, we actually did all go out together. There's like 8 of us with their kids and our kids, and we had something to eat, which was nice. It was quite cheap as well, but yeah, it was really, really tasty. And we did find a laundrette, very touristy in the town, but it is just so amazingly like beautiful, the way the flowers are and the lights and the restaurants to really put effort in. But yeah, we just enjoyed it. It's we didn't take the camera, as probably per usual. We're like, oh yeah, which is good in a way, because sometimes we do forget, you know, we do enjoy the trip for us, and we enjoy the company we're with, and we don't always remember the camera. Not everything's always about content, it's about us enjoying it. So yeah, unfortunately peeps, you're not going to get to see the inside of Cass in its beautiful lights at night and its big pink trees, but it's worth coming. If you wanted to come on holiday somewhere, you could come to Cass. You can see the tourist boats are starting to fill up now. I assume it gets super busy here in the summer, and honestly, wait till you see the little streets and the ginnels and the way it's built inside the town. It's absolutely gorgeous. Rebecca she did take some pictures, so hopefully she'll put on a couple of pictures, because we were stopping going, oh my god, look at that street there, just look how nice it is with the way they've grown things and done the lights. And yeah, it's a really nice place. But it says it's going to thunderstorm. Maybe we're going to sit out the storm, I think, for 2 days here. It's not raining, and it's warm, but we found a little beach somewhere a bit up there, so we might go and chill up there for a bit, and then next week it's going to be scorchio. So I shall yeah, I'll speak to you from the beach.
We're walking to the beach. We've got extra dogs. Benji has mates. Don't you, Benj? Your little mates. There he is. Followed us for miles now. Miles, actually. That's a bit of exaggeration. Meters. Feels like miles when this heat, doesn't it? That was a long walk. think we'll be worth this trek in a minute. Go on, Iz. You lead the way. Yeah? Yeah, you nip back and get the drone.
Oh my god.
I'll stand back here.
That's somewhere I walk down.
Go on, guys.
I think there is one in
Go careful because it looks like there's a bit of climbing down to do. Do you want me to hold your towel, Ewan?
No, I'm around.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, you go down. Whew. That was hard work.
So we have had to climb, try and get it. I don't know if it does it any justice, but yeah, this is steep. I've had to pass the bags down in a big 8-person human chain, and as you come along you can see everyone getting across. Grab my super heavy beach bag and away we go. It's gonna be worth it. Right, we'll put camera away while they hold on. Yeah, not a bad swimming spot.
Right to the bottom, you can see.
We walk through the building site. We come from up that cliff.
Yeah, we were up by that telegraph pole.
Oh yeah, we crossed that.
Daddy, look how big the sea urchins are.
Sea urchins.
See the urchins? Right there.
Whoa.
Huge fish.
Yeah, don't go treading on them.
No, there's teeny tiny fish.
Mutt stayed with us all the way. We'll go on round and see what we can see. Huh?
They don't have any reaction. Wait, Daddy, can fish feel pain?
Come on.
Can fish feel pain?
I don't know, maybe you'll have to ask one.
I say yes, you
Huh?
can shoot.
You go underwater and ask one.
Check that out. I want one of them. Awesome.
out there. He's gone kayaking on his own, keeping my eyes on him. But he seems quite good at it. So this is Mermaid Beach. We were here last night and we were sat at the bar there till quite late with Dave and Steph and their kids and our kids, and it was just picturesque. And they asked us if should we set a table up for you tomorrow and cook a barbecue for us. So here we are. We've come down. We all pre-ordered it today, what everyone wanted. But yeah, we get to chill here now and have a barbecue on the beach, just looking down. Yeah, it looks amazing. Yeah, can't get any closer to the sea than this for an evening meal. We'll just come out to have a little walk to the edge of the headland while we wait for our food. And again, I just can't believe that table, how close it is to everything. I've not actually snorkeled here, so I'm going to get up in the morning, Monday morning, and have a snorkel, because it is known for turtles around here. We have seen turtles in Turkey, big ones, so we're quite intrigued to see if there is actually any in here. It's just such an amazing place. Absolutely love it. Here's the gang.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces, and perhaps I'm going back. But I don't have to be chasing every dream that I have. Oh, no. 'Cause the thing is, I've got more love here than I can bear. Ooh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you.
Ewan, climb on it.
No,
Get on the beast.
I want to.
Who's gonna get on? You gonna get on?
I'm more entertained by the puppies.
Eh?
It's got plenty.
Nice.
What? No.
You can smell incense. Can you? You smell incense? All them pups over there. Isabella.
Another puppy, there's a new puppy. There's a new one, but it's bigger than the rest.
So this is the fire mountain. apparently they want to charge us £8 a night to stay here, so I don't think we'll be staying here. It's quite a chilled spot though. Let's get up there. If you ever do come to this fire mountain, make sure you bring drinks. The kids are absolutely hanging out on here and it is hot. But I think nearly, it says 90 metres, it's not. It's 1,000 metres. Isabella's done mutiny. So she walked back and then she's turned back because she didn't get the keys and she's not happy bunny, so we're nearly there.
There's even one going there, look.
Yeah, there's some more at the back over there, isn't there? I'm going to do in Ireland. Can we get some gas bottles under the ground? Just really composting toilet.
Daddy, there's a pipe under there like it's fake.
Oh, there probably isn't.
Look, that pipe is with the rock that's coming. No pipe. There is a round thing.
That way you're sitting where...
What a way to make marshmallows, eh?
Daddy said no.
Don't burn yourself.
Stop it.
Giant ants.
Stop. Get away from my feet. I'm going to crawl up my sleeves. It wasn't close to it.
Wowzers, that is hot. What a hike, and then you can't even cool down. Don't get too close. Is it cooking it?
A jacuzzi up here, aren't they?
Yeah.
We've got lots of tortoises down there on the rocks having a bloody good sunbathe. It's quite early in the morning here. We're near Mount Chimaera. I think Rebecca will put it on the bottom of the screen somewhere. But we've stayed here a couple of days now. Just trying to show you. We get quite a lot of van life people here. French, German, and then us Brits. But yeah, it's been really nice. If you follow the river down there, it takes you to the beach, which is amazing. There's like loads of ruins down there.
This is one of the most perfect beaches I think we've ever been to. Absolutely beautiful. And the sea is so clear. It's amazing.
It's not. It is. I swear it is.
Isabella's in the water. First time really, but she's enjoying it. It's been a bit cold up to now. But let's see. Show you how clear this water is.
Everywhere.
Yeah. Fish everywhere. Just stunning.
we've been here with the vans now for, it's day 2, day 3. Lose track sometimes. But we're going to move on to some whitewater rafting place. We're heading towards Cappadocia, so we'll be driving up and past Antalya today, and then into the inland, basically into the mountains. So it should be a bit cooler. So some of the locals say that's what they do, they go into the mountain places. But yeah, we'll go and drink more tea, and then I shall probably speak to you from the road or near the whitewater rafting. We haven't booked it because we're going to try and get a special price for some bartering.